Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Khaliji Bank of Qatar online banking account. If you have already registered for Khaliji Online Banking Account, then now you can log into your account using the login credentials that you have set while registering for your account. The process is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. By the completion of your login process, you can have access to your financial transactions, account histories and details, payments, fund transfers and more from anywhere and anytime online. So in order to get started, all you have to do is watch this video very carefully and follow the simple steps. First, go to any browser on your desktop. Then on the search bar, search for allkhaliji.com/web/enter. And once you land onto an interface like this, go and tap onto the internet banking option present here. Once you land onto another page, go and tap onto personal banking, and by tapping on it, you'll be directed to the login page of Khaliji Online Banking Account. But before you get started with the login process, there are a few things that you need to keep in your mind. You cannot log into your online account if you haven't registered for Khaliji Online Banking Account. So in order to do that, all you have to do is go to register here option here and tap on it in order to start the registration process. Once done, you will be provided with a username and a set of password that you can log into your account with. So go to username text field and enter the username associated to your online banking account. Then enter the password that you have set while registering for your account. And if you have forgotten your username or password, or you are having problems logging into your account, then you can just go and tap on to get help here option. And once you are done entering your login details, go and tap on to submit. Once you tap on it, you will have successfully logged into your Khaliji online banking account. So now you can have access to your financial transactions, account histories, details, informations, payments, fund transfers and many more from anywhere and anytime online. So with all this information, I think you can now simply log into your online banking account on Khaliji. This will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.